Hello, good morning. My name is Wojciech Kepka. I'm representative of Polish company Intermag, and today I will show you our case study in terms the product from idea to sales success, and I give you a part of my knowledge and I think our experience. Okay, at the beginning, if you got a great product idea, now all you need to do is design and implement it to the market. To ensure everything goes smoothly, it's helpful to understanding some classic stages of product design. And so let's start from the beginning. And today I talk you through the basic stages of product design and share some, let's say, useful tips from our experience. And I'm referring to the design of product used in, we can say, modern agriculture. Product development should be some interactive process involving collaboration between consumer as well as marketing, sales, research and development, and purchasing and production teams. And this results in product that meet consumer expectation while also being economically efficient. The terms new product, it's not strike words. Three main approaches can be defined. So as you can see, a new product is one that is completely original and has never been available on the market before. It is distinguished from prototypes and similar products by any progressive changes that set it apart from existing product. And these changes may be relative to the raw materials, technology, and appearance. And a new product is a product considering few it has improved characteristics such as its function, design, or let's say shape. And from a company perspective, from company point of view, a new product is either completely novel or modified depending on the producer goals and capabilities. Appropriate costs are needed to bring the product to the market. So from our perspective, from perspective of Intermag, a new product, when we create new product, we think about the market, we think about the production line, we think about the new addition to an existing production line, because a new product that completely complements the existing range. Sometimes we need to change on or improves to existing products and representing product on the market. From the point of view of consumer, product innovation is determined by how a product is, let's say, perceived in the market and purchased. There are three levels of consumer familiarity with a product. And the first level is compared with products that do not require much familiarization as the changes are already familiar to consumer. The second level compares product that expand existing practice, but which also don't require much familiarization. And the third level, comparison new product without any analog on the market. And the stages of the new product development. We can say that we have 7 stages: searching for a new generation of product ideas, idea reviewing, technical feasibility assessment. We need to create market strategy and some business analysis. We development the product, or we create the new product. We testing the market, and we put the product on the market. We enter to the market, and we start the commercialization of our product. Most organizations are constantly looking for ideas that could be implemented. Some ideas originate with the organization. For example, the research and development department might develop new product, while production areas might suggest improvement to existing product to facilitate production. However, many suggestions and ideas also come from outside the organization. For example, a competitor's product might be adapted for the product range. Customers might indicate a new needed for a currently unavailable product, or new legal regulation might contribute to product development. And ideas can come from the following source. The goal of these stages, following source, like scientific and technical research, sales, marketing, reporting on changes in demand, some other internal department, competitors, customers, legal changes, and some other sources. The goal of these stages is to generate as many ideas as possible, and various methods can be used to generate new ideas, such as brainstorming, the 635 method, the morphological method, and the innovation checklist. At stage 2, idea review, the new product development process is important to understand which ideas has the greatest chance to success. You should list all ideas and present them to all team members for some internal review. Reach out to people with extensive knowledge and experience in the field to ensure that you are moving forward with the right idea. And when it comes to new product development, creating a proof to concept should be a priority, because it helps you to understand the feasibility of the idea. Many companies fail because they focus only on the idea that are not technically feasible. However, anything is possible. All ideas must be assessed to eliminate those with obvious flaws, and the initial screening process should result in the reaction of product that are impossible to manufacture or too technically complex, have been tried before without success, are a copy of the product being manufactured, expertise or experience that the organization does not possess, and do not fit to a current organization production process. And this screening is typically conducted by a team of people from marketing, R&D, finance, and production, and up to 80% of initial ideas may be rejected at this stage. The remaining 20%, which do not exhibit obvious flaws, moves on to the research and development phase. So then stage 3, technical feasibility assessment. The outcome of this stage is a technical evaluation of the idea, and this analysis determines whether the organization can manufacture the product. And during this analysis, we have two types of questions to should be asked. the basic question: can the product be manufactured? If yes, it's okay. Are the consumption behind the idea sound? Is it idea completely new, or does it build on exist ideas? If it is a modification of an old idea, why didn't the organization address it sooner? Are there any patent on competition issue? Is the development department willing to take a new product? And we have some second question, specific question. Answering this may require prototyping. Is the proposed solution technically feasible, and can the product be implemented using existing technology? And does the organization have the necessary knowledge and experience? At the step 4, we need to create marketing strategy and some business analysis, and conducting a profitability analysis of an idea implementation will enable you to access whether is the worthwhile devoting your capital and time to developing your product or technology. And there are two ways to carry out this analysis. Profitability analysis based on statistical data, and the profitability analysis based on direct contact with customers. And both forms of analysis have certain advantages and disadvantages. A profitability analysis based on statistical data is more of technical investment analysis. You can carry out this research yourself based on the available statistical data, or you can consult your project with an expert. Okay, so let's start with the advantages of analyzing the profitability of implementing an idea based on direct consumer contact. You get first-hand information directly from customers and have the opportunity to discuss your product with them. And if you conduct the conversation well, customers may suggest improvement that you can implement in the new version of your product. Of course, they won't know that you're still in the concept phase. You can verify interest in your product directly, and these disadvantages are as follow: lack of security, time, relatively high cost, and you must have the right sales skills and promotional materials. Once you have found your new product development idea and complete your market and business analysis, you can move forward with the product development cycle. Typically, the development of a new product begins with a prototype, followed by a minimum viable product. And let's now take a look at the steps involved. So, in prototyping, these steps essentially involves creating a product that can later be shared with stakeholders or management. This helps stakeholders and management to visualize what the product will look like for the users and whether it adheres to best ergonomic practice. Minimum viable product is focused more on the user's goals and how the product will stand out from the competition. After design, development and testing phase, a minimum viable product with minimal features is realized to the market. And this is also known as a beta testing product. The best approach to new product development is to focus on developing the product itself. And at the step 6, we need to test a market. So we can do alpha testing, beta testing, and user testing. And at the end, we enter to the market and we start our commercialization. And for your knowledge, if you type to Google the term commercialization, you will find that it essentially refers to the process of bringing a product or service to market for financing again. And that's exactly what it means. Once you have successfully completed the stages of the new product development process, this will be the final step in achieving product launch and product market fit, as nothing will be able to stop you. I'll talk about a few marketing activities that can help with this. Rather than focusing entirely on the features on your product, we try to talk about the concept behind it. Essentially, you need to find a way to demonstrate how your product can make your customers' life easier. So, if you look closely at the market, you will see that the most successful products sell their unique selling points. And this helps in two ways. First way, users learn about features that go beyond the basic functionality, and you will discover an amazing way to sell your product. Sometimes the right marketing is all that's needed to create a magnetic effect. Having a brand voice is something like having a clear voice that speaks volume about your product, can work wonders for your business, and more people learn about your product. All you need to do is sit down with your marketing team and develop a communication style that are the best presents your brand globally and uniquely. And we have some important point of the new product development process. It's ensuring a faster time to market. It helps to understand the technical side of the product, understands customer needs, reduce technical debt, simplifies management process, and increase the chance of success. And the example of our case study of one of our best product on the market. With these stages of our product, our company, we had go through each stages step by step, of course. We tried to find a niche that had not yet been explored, and when it comes to fertilization and the necessary macro elements or micronutrients have already been developed. And what we see, we notice that some elements such as titanium are omitted from the list of microelements and micronutrients, and we try to find its functionality for the plant. Okay, we have an idea. Now we need to check whether we have the production and research facility to implement it. So we check that we have the facility and we have the technical feasibility assessment. So we can go to the next step. Next step is a marketing strategy and business analysis. We also had to prepare our marketing strategy very carefully. However, it turned out that we had entered a field that had not yet been recognized or exploited by competing companies. We therefore started investing in elements that benefit plants. At stages 5, we start to development product or creation the product. This is the time that had come to use our research and development department. A team of experienced scientists began working on creating a many prototype fertilizer product with biostimulating properties. Meanwhile, it transpired that our competitors were keeping a close eye on us. They also started researching beneficial element compounds, but fortunately for us, the idea weren't as good as ours. At the step 6, at marketing testing, when we create the product, we tested its efficiency in our biological research department. When then partner with scientists from researchers centers who tested the product under controlled condition, and we then verified its effectiveness in the field with fellow farmers. And finally, we provide industry client with free samples so they could see for themselves how our product works. And this is how the product was created. All that was needed was a proper marketing position and time for it to become successfully. And the example of Titanit give you the knowledge that Titanit has been used by a million of people over 50 countries worldwide. Okay, there is one more small but very important details. How to introduce a product to the market formally. So, in UE countries, there are two paths that you can follow. It's a local registration, means that although it is sometimes easier for us to introduce a product to the market, we only operate locally with a specific country. But we have the alternative. We could try to meet the requirement of European regulation and introduce a fertilizer product that could be sold in all EU countries. And this would be a slightly more challenging for small companies, but it would be worthwhile. Okay, it's all our knowledge in very short words. But now I would like to present you our company, because I present you our knowledge, but I need to give you some information about Intermag. So who we are? We are a Polish familiar company with 37 years of experience and a global reach, operating in more than 60 countries across all continents. We are one of the European leaders in production of biostimulant based on beneficial elements, specialty bioproduct and animal health product dedicated for use in professional agriculture and animal husbandry. Intermag in numbers, we have the more than 38 years of experience in the market. Now we have about 200 employees around the world. So we service more than 45 countries, and more than 15% of our contribution is a export share. Why we are doing this? Because our ambition is to become a leading provider of cutting-edge solution for farmers, help them increase productivity in line with the company's motto, effectiveness through knowledge. And we put a lot of emphasis on research. We have the high qualified specialists in the areas of technology, chemistry, biology, biotechnology, and microbiology. We have our own laboratories to perform a wide range of formulation tasks, chemical analysis, and biological tests. We have more than 20 own developed patents. We cooperate with scientific units in Poland and all over the world. And we invest around 5% of annual sales to research and development. And we implementing many projects co-financed by European Union. And we have a wide production capacity. Modern production facility allow us to produce high quality products. We have the plan to produce microbial products in a liquid and dry form, plan to produce liquid fertilizer and biostimulant, plan to produce single and multi-component microfertilizers in the form of ultra granules and crystalline fertilizer, and also animal health product. And we care about the quality of our product. In our laboratory, we equip with ICP and HPLC, and production according to ISO and GMP+. We provide a complete solution for agriculture. We combine biostimulation, specialty fertilizers, microbial products, and tank mix additives. And our solution is dedicated for all types of crops, row crops, vegetables, fruit, and ornamental plants. And we know that supporting of distributors and the farmers is the key to market success. So we support partners with training, seminars, webinars, field test. We create many leaflets, key visuals and graphics. We create professional animated movies. We make many presentation, explanation of mode of action. Also creating landing pages, research and marketing article in website and also in papers. We are attending in a conference, fair, professional marketing campaigning in internet, in Google, Facebook, etc. Our solutions are appreciated by customers. So in many countries, our top biostimulant Titanit reached the highest farmers acceptance. For example, in Vietnam. In China, Titanit was ranked in 10 top biostimulants. And in Bulgaria, at the exhibition Agra, Titanit received an award in the most innovative product category. And our product have been cited in over 150 scientific papers demonstrating our significant contribution to the development of science, and we cooperate with many scientific institutions around the world. Okay, it's all from my side. Thank you very much for your time. If you have any questions, I'm for you.